How can I add a greeting pop-up for special announcements for my staff members and parents on SchoolPad?
Thank you for the query, Vikram sir. To add pop-up greetings and announcements that automatically appear to users on their web and mobile apps, you can go to the Manage Greetings module and click on Add New Record. Enter a greeting name. For this example, I am using Summer Holidays. This name won't appear with the greetings, so choose something that helps you refer to the record later. Select a start date and an end date between which this greeting should pop up. For this example, I will select today's and tomorrow's dates. Choose an image. Set the visibility to visible so that it starts showing up once saved. You can select roles or classes. In this example, since I want to share it with the entire school, I will select role-wise and choose all roles. That's it. Hit the save button, and let's see how this shows up on the web and app. Here's how it pops up on the web app. Let's check out the mobile app screen. Here it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.